Welcome to Like Health. For the past 2 weeks, I decided to try something I'd always been curious about: drinking okra water every morning. As a man in my 40s, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was determined to see if this simple habit could really make a difference. I soaked a few fresh okra pods overnight and drank the slimy water before breakfast every day. After just a few days, I began to notice surprising changes in my energy and digestion. By the end of the 14 days, I was amazed at how many benefits I experienced. Before we dive into these 8 amazing benefits, please press the like button to support this channel. Benefit number 1. Improved digestion. One of the first things I noticed was how much better my digestion became. Before this, I often felt bloated and sluggish after meals. Okra water is rich in mucilage, that slippery soluble fiber that soothes the gut. It helped my body break down food more efficiently. I started going to the bathroom more regularly without discomfort. If you have digestive issues like constipation, this might help you too. It's incredible how such a simple drink can support your digestive health. Benefit number 2. Lower blood sugar levels. I also observed a positive impact on my blood sugar. I usually check my glucose regularly, and I was surprised to see it stabilizing. Okra contains compounds that can slow sugar absorption in the intestines. Some research suggests it may be helpful for managing type 2 diabetes. After 14 days, my energy didn't crash like it used to after meals. I felt more balanced and focused throughout the day. If you struggle with blood sugar spikes, okra water is worth trying. Always talk to your doctor before making changes if you're diabetic. Benefit number 3. Better heart health. Drinking okra water seemed to support my cardiovascular health. Okra is naturally high in antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenol. These compounds help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. I noticed my blood pressure readings were slightly lower than before. The soluble fiber may also help reduce LDL bad cholesterol. I felt like my heart was getting extra protection from this simple drink. It's amazing how much nutrition is packed into okra pods. A healthy heart really starts with small, consistent habits. Benefit number 4. Enhanced immune function. Another surprising benefit was feeling less prone to seasonal sniffles. Okra is loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for immune defense. After about a week, I felt like my body was more resilient. I didn't experience the usual fatigue I often get in the afternoon. It was almost as if my body's defenses had been quietly upgraded. This extra vitamin C and antioxidants likely played a big role. For anyone who catches colds easily, this could be a natural boost. It felt empowering to support my immune system with something so simple. Benefit number 5. Weight management support. I also noticed subtle changes in my weight over the 2 weeks. The fiber in okra water helped me feel full longer and reduced my cravings. I wasn't constantly looking for snacks between meals. This made it easier to stick to healthier portions without feeling deprived. I even lost a little bit of belly bloating by the end of the 14 days. Okra's low-calorie content makes it a smart addition to a weight loss routine. It felt good to have a natural aid instead of relying on processed supplements. Small changes like this can really add up over time. Benefit number 6. Healthier skin appearance. One benefit I didn't expect was the impact on my skin. After about 10 days, I noticed my complexion looked clearer and more vibrant. Okra water is rich in vitamins A and C, which support healthy skin renewal. It also helps flush out toxins that can contribute to breakouts. I even felt like my skin was more hydrated from the inside out. People started commenting that I looked more refreshed and rested. It was encouraging to see visible results just by drinking okra water. If you want to improve your skin naturally, this could be a great start. Benefit number 7. Joint and bone support. Something else I appreciated was how my joints felt during this period. Okra contains vitamin K and calcium, which are essential for bone health. As a man in my 40s, I'm thinking more about maintaining strong bones. I felt like some of my usual stiffness in the morning was reduced. It could be due to the anti-inflammatory properties of the antioxidants. Moving around felt easier and more comfortable overall. This reminded me how important nutrition is for joint support. Even simple habits can protect our mobility as we age. Benefit number 8. Increased overall energy. Finally, the biggest change was in my daily energy levels. I used to rely on coffee to get me going in the morning. After starting Okra water, I felt more naturally energized and alert. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and hydration made a real difference. Instead of feeling sluggish, I was motivated to exercise and stay active. My mind also felt clearer, which helped with productivity at work. It's amazing how much a small daily ritual can uplift your whole day. I truly felt like my body was operating at its best. Many people have asked me how okra water actually affects blood sugar and cholesterol. Okra is rich in soluble fiber, especially mucilage, which slows down carbohydrate absorption in your gut. This helps prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals and keeps energy more stable. It also binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, helping reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels over time. Question: can I drink okra water if I'm diabetic? Answer: always check with your doctor first, but some studies suggest it may help regulate blood sugar naturally. Question: is it safe for high cholesterol? Answer: yes, the fiber and antioxidants in okra can support healthier cholesterol levels, but always consult your doctor if you have high cholesterol. Question: how often should I drink it? Answer: most people drink it once daily in the morning on an empty stomach. Now I will tell you the best way to prepare okra water to get the maximum benefits. First, choose 4 to 6 fresh, tender okra pods and rinse them thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or residue. Next, cut off both ends of each pod and slice them lengthwise to expose the inner gel and seeds. Place the sliced okra in a clean glass or jar filled with about 1 to 2 cups of filtered water. Cover the container and let the okra soak overnight, ideally for at least 8 hours, to release its nutrients. By morning, the water will turn slightly thick and mucilaginous. That's a sign it's rich in soluble fiber and antioxidants. Remove the okra pieces and gently stir the water before drinking to ensure even consistency. For best results, drink okra water on an empty stomach to help improve digestion and regulate blood sugar. You can repeat this daily or several times a week to enjoy its full health benefits. If you found this video helpful, please support us with a like. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new